Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by blocking in the basic volumes, a front-facing oval for the tip and a side triangle for the bridge, so you immediately define perspective. Once done, place 3 small marks, bridge, tip, each nostril, to guide proportions and avoid guesswork. Make sure to use light strokes. They let you refine shapes without destroying earlier decisions. This quick foundation maps both front and profile planes, so the nose sits convincingly on the face and reads as 3-dimensional from the first marks. Now you carve the planes. Draw a clear center ridge and 2 angled side planes to show how light will fall. Once those planes are established, add weight by shading under the bridge and around the nostrils with soft, directional hatching. This creates depth. Make sure to blend transitions gently with a smudge tool or finger while preserving the brightest highlights on the tip and along the ridge. That contrast, soft shadow versus crisp highlight, convinces the eye the nose occupies space. Finish by refining edges and balancing values. Soften any harsh construction lines and keep strong edge contrast only where planes meet. Once done, tweak nostril shapes using subtractive erasing to match both sides and reintroduce tiny midtone strokes to unify texture. If the nose reads flat, make sure to deepen the core shadow beneath the tip or nudge the highlight slightly up or down to match your light source. That subtle shift often restores the illusion of volume. Try it before major redraws.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.